When you come home after a hard day's work, the last thing you feel like doing is catching up on paperwork. How would you like a business partner that could help you reduce your paperwork? Sparky is a smart new business management app specifically developed to help electricians take control of their business. An easier way to run your business, all in the palm of your hand. Sparky connects you with your local store, anytime, anywhere. Prepare a quote, order products, and invoice a job quickly and accurately. Simply download the Sparky app and register. Customise your account settings and upload your company logo. To create a new job, enter your customers' details or import them from your contacts. Create a quote by searching and selecting products from the store, or use the barcode scanner to find the price of a product already in your van. Sparky accesses real-time stock availability and pricing on a wide range of over 150,000 products. Once you've selected your products, add your labour and any other costs. Add notes and photos as required. Then email the quote directly to your customer. On acceptance of the quote, simply convert it to a live job. Do a quick price check, order your products, and collect them from the store the same day, or have them delivered to any location. You can receive notifications about your order or call your local service centre with one touch of a button. When your job is complete, simply convert your quote to an invoice, make any last-minute adjustments, add notes and photographs if required, and email your invoice directly to your customer. Best of all, you can request immediate payment at the touch of a button. Whether you're a sole trader or a large contractor, Sparky will help you manage your cash flow and save you time rekeying in data. And it's fully integrated with accounting platforms, including Xero, MyOb, and QuickBooks. Sparky, the smarter, easier way to control your business. For more information, visit www.sparky.com.au. Download the Sparky app from Apple iTunes or Google Play today.